iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro have smaller Taptic engines compared to iPhone 11, as well as a smaller loudspeaker. Highlights: iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro get 6 out of 10 repairability score. iPhone 12 has a 10.78 watt-hours battery. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro displays work interchangeably. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro have made their way to iFixit, where they were put through the Teardown process. Both phones have the same design and build, which makes the Teardown process the same. The iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro have got a repairability score of 6 out of 10, with 10 being the easiest to repair. The team at iFixit did note that the Teardown process is slightly different compared to last year's iPhone 11 models, and they also required more heat to separate the display from the body. iFixit tore down the iPhone 12 in a live stream, sharing the experience as they progressed. It can be seen that some of the components used in the iPhone 12 are noticeably smaller compared to the iPhone 11, like the loudspeaker and a Taptic engine. Usually, while opening an iPhone, the display opens up to the left, but this time around, it opens up to the right. iFixit also mentions that the displays of the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro work interchangeably, as the only difference between the two is brightness. The main difference between the two iPhone models is the camera module. Interestingly, the modules are still similar, as the iPhone 12 uses a plastic spacer where the iPhone 12 Pro has its LiDAR sensor. Both the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro have the same Taptic engine and the same battery, which is rated for 10.78 watt-hours, or 2,815 mAh, smaller than the iPhone 11's 11.91 watt-hours and iPhone 11 Pro's 11.67 watt-hours. Another Teardown video had shown similar details. Another important difference is the RAM. iFixit found Apple had used Micron LPDDR4 RAM, with 4 GB on the iPhone 12 and 6 GB on the iPhone 12 Pro. The Teardown also confirms the use of the Qualcomm Snapdragon X55M 5G modem, and Samsung storage. Additionally, iFixit took apart the MagSafe charger, which has a dark ring of magnets around the exterior that correspond to the iPhone 12 models. iFixit notes that most of the important components are modular and easy to access. However, the enhanced waterproofing measures cause some hindrances in repairability. The iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro get a repairability score of 6 out of 10, which is the same as last year's iPhone 11. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.